Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna show you this interesting, quite popular RC car. This is the brushless version. So probably you know this version because they did a couple of different models. Probably the name is different, but it's the same brushless motor. So this is the 16889. There's another version which is the same but is A Pro, so it's the Pro version of this. So this I think is I believe it's been released 4 years ago, and they did another version which is still brushless, but it's much faster and also with oil filter shocks. So in today's video, we're gonna check this interesting RC car which I purchased from Amazon. Let's unbox it and let's see actually what we get in the box. Also, I wonder if this model comes with 2 batteries. We're gonna check that now. Okay, there she is. So I'm gonna leave the box on the side. So we have the instruction manual, which is pretty cool. So pretty detailed, I believe, which is nice in my opinion. Also we have our stickers and some useful information. I wonder how many batteries we get here. I'm gonna leave this on the side. What we get here? We get the remote control, which is 2.4 gigahertz remote control. It's stuck here. What else we get? So we get we get a lot of cool attachments. We get the wheelie bar. Yes, this is the wheelie bar. We get the USB cable and we get set of lights, which is always cool. The remote control. So we have the steering trim, steering array. This is the speed. Pretty cool. So you can give this to some, let's say, maybe small kids, which is very good. So you can trim the speed. Obviously this is recommended to go 45 kilometers, so we're gonna test that. Three AA batteries, which is cool. I'll leave this on the side, and here is our car, which is pretty good. Oh, the steering looks pretty cool. Yeah, this actually looks pretty cool. Okay, let's remove the pins and let's see inside quickly. I'm not a big fan about these pins, but so this is our brushless motor. This is the EAC, if I'm not wrong. We have the battery here. Yeah, this machine comes with 1 battery. The tray for the battery, which actually is pretty cool. I need to charge this battery. Again, I'm new to the RC cars, so if you know more about this RC car, please let me know in the comments down below. I think this, if I'm not wrong, is one of probably the best RC cars for bashing, and many people said that this is pretty cool. Yeah, this is not I don't think this has oil filter shocks. Yeah, definitely. As you can see, this jumps straight away, so it doesn't have a oil shocks. But pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it. For first RC, I think comes with the metal gears as well. This is what I was thinking. Yeah, comes with the metal gears if I'm not wrong. Yep. The only downside about this RC car is that doesn't come with a metal oil filters. Comes with a normal shock dumper. So how do you call basic? Pretty cool. So let's charge this battery. So this battery is 1500. Oh yeah, 1500 milliamp. This is not a LiPo battery, it's a 7.4 volt. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's charge this and then we're gonna go outside and we're gonna test our interesting RC car. So the battery is charged already. Also, we have the lights and we have the wheelie bar attached. And this thing is gonna kick. Yeah, this thing is gonna kick, so yeah. Now we're gonna go outside and test this interesting RC car. Let's do that. Okay, so this is our... Oh. All right, so we are back in the studio. So let's discuss this interesting RC car. As you can see here, this is pretty cool. I do like the design with the wheelie bar. As you can see here, also we have the lights, which They're quite bright actually. This is pretty cool. This model, I believe, is being released a couple of years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And some of the YouTubers said that this actually is one of the best first RC car. I agree with them because this thing is cool, it's fast, it's rated 45 kilometers. I will do a speed run, so make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, but this is going to be a separate video, so make sure to do that. I'm going to do a stock battery, also 2S battery as well. This RC car takes only 2S battery, so this is cool. The tray that the battery goes in, it's very small. It's very small. This is very filthy. I didn't clean it. This is very small. This is the stock battery. As you can see, it's very, very small. And the 2S battery, it's huge. It's double the size of the stock battery. So if you decide to use a 2S battery, make sure to attach it here in the middle with some Velcro or maybe with some sticky pads or something. But this definitely will stay. And also keep the stock battery inside as well. The reason for that is just for the balance. But other than that, yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, because I'm gonna do a 2S run with this RC car. But I'm impressed because this thing is fast, looks cool, looks nice. The runtime of the stock battery is around 30 minutes, which this is crazy. Obviously the 2S battery is gonna give you more runtime, but even the stock battery, this thing is fast. This thing is fast, and you don't need more than that. If you don't care about 3S batteries, this is perfect first RC car. Definitely recommended because it's a lot of fun. It's cool. You can take this to the skate park. But personally, I think you should be careful. This is very, very durable. But obviously, if you break something, there's lots of parts. So you can replace most of the parts, which is cool. The only downside is that this model doesn't come with oil filter shocks, but it's cool. I mean, you don't need that. But yeah, definitely this is a very, very good first RC car. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys? If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. And definitely I'm gonna do a separate speed test run. Also, I'm gonna take this to the skate park. We're gonna do that. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications as well if you don't wanna miss these interesting, cool videos. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.